All right, so in between sessions, we're doing these 5-minute quick talks. This is Scott Reed from JumpCloud. Scott's going to talk to us about their product. So please, a warm welcome for Scott Reed.
Cool, thank you. All right, so this is a quick talk on JumpCloud. Today we're going to talk about 3 things in our 5 minutes that we have together. What JumpCloud is, 2 different ways it can be implemented, and then how you can experience the platform for yourself. JumpCloud offers based directory services, and many of you know directories. They're composed of users, systems, groups, and resources. Unlike Active Directory, JumpCloud offers these from the cloud. And instead of a network-based perimeter model that defines who can authenticate, where and when, JumpCloud uses a lightweight agent instead of a domain bind, which can be installed on Mac, Windows, and Linux. This agent takes over the directory tasks of the directory and does things like creates accounts, takes over accounts, updates passwords, enforces password policies, all the things that we're used to directories doing. In addition to this, the agent can also enforce policies, things related to security, desktop locking, forcing the lock screen, and doing things like disk encryption. In addition to managing users and systems, JumpCloud, because it's based in the cloud, also uses cloud protocols for resources. As we can see on the screen here, we offer Cloud Radius, Cloud LDAP, and SAML 2.0. This allows an end user to really have a single set of credentials that they use to access all of their company resources. When a user comes in and they're using JumpCloud, they'll sign into their computer with a single set of credentials. Maybe they need to access the Wi-Fi. They use the same set of credentials. If they're accessing things like file shares that are using JumpCloud LDAP, guess what? Same credentials. So from an end user perspective, it's not about which username and password should I use. They only have one. This is a really great end user experience. JumpCloud can be implemented in 2 different ways. One way I call is just vanilla JumpCloud. This is where JumpCloud is the authoritative directory. It has the full authority to push out passwords to those resources, things like the Wi-Fi, the user console, and the system. And the second way, if you have existing Active Directory, we can actually play slave to AD and allow you to use JumpCloud to extend your on-prem directory to maybe some resources that you have a hard time managing. Those resources can be things like Linux servers in AWS, remote systems that maybe don't come into contact with your domain, or even Windows workstations that never come into the office. So our Active Directory integration is a new offering that we have that also includes round-trip password write-back. That means that if someone updates their password through the JumpCloud Mac app, that'll actually come back and update their domain password. That JumpCloud Mac app is quite powerful when you have JumpCloud fully implemented, and actually allows you to update things like your Office 365 or G Suite accounts directly from your Mac system. This is a really great user experience and really, I guess, allows you to take out that commodity workload associated with IT where you're trying to tell your users which username and passwords to use to access which resources. Ultimately, using JumpCloud allows you to take a cloud-forward approach to kind of the digital transformation of your workplace and get away from the concept of you can only work from the office. JumpCloud enables end users to work from any machines they want, so employees have choice if they want to work from Mac, Windows, or Linux, and really allows the IT department to be a place where they can really enable the organization. I truly believe that as IT people, we learn by doing. So if you follow this link right here, this is a link to our sign-up page. JumpCloud is fully featured for up to 10 users. So there's no 30-day free trial, 90-day expiration. This is an account that will work for up to 10 users, completely ungated from any costs or limitations. If you have maybe scenarios where you have an organization that's less than 10 users, use JumpCloud for free. I mean, every organization should be using a directory. The directory is really there to secure your resources and ensure that you as admins understand who has access to what. If you're interested in learning more, we'll be over at our booth. Come say hi, grab a t-shirt, and that's our quick talk. Thank you.